as well as plant also. So from food we are getting nutrition, fats, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, many things we are getting from food, as well as in plant also. Plant also got getting nutrition from the soil, sunlight, carbon dioxide, many things. So students, from today we are going to start lesson number 1, food. So what you are doing at home? You are eating varieties of foods daily. You are eating vegetables, chapatis, vegetable pulaus, very tasty and delicious dishes. Yes, but you know where we get food from? We are getting food from animals also and plants also. So human being is an omnivorous animal. So omnivorous animals, it means human being is omnivorous animals. It means it is eating vegetables also and animals also, veg and non-veg both. So now we are going to take one short activity. Okay. So food, where does it come from? So where does it come from? What did you eat at home? What did you eat at home today? आपने आज क्या खाया है? You have 1 minute to remind it. Think what you eat today. Some students will eat vegetables and chapati. Some will eat rice. So, did you know eat the same kind of food yesterday and today we all eat different kind of food at different time, isn't it? Yes. Daily you are eating same food. Suppose any students is liking lady finger and chapati. So daily you are eating that in breakfast also, in lunch also, in dinner also. No. Varieties of foods we are eating, but it's depend upon time. Because in breakfast we are eating poha, then upma, khaman, dhokla, like that. But in lunch we are taking proper food like dal, rice, vegetables, and in dinner also. So, but we are not taking daily food same in vegetables, chapatis, everything. So students, one activity is there, food variety. So food, varieties of food we are eating daily. So ask your friend or in your neighbor, what do you eat today? So it's items of food we are eating during a day. Items of food means in daily you note down you are eating varieties of food. From see if you can also get the information from friends staying in different states on India. So state-wise varieties of food is there. Suppose we are living in Maharashtra. So Maharashtra specialty is puran puri. But in Kerala there is a South Indian food like idli, sambar. In Gujarat, khaman, dhokla, patra. This type of food we are eating varieties in the states of the food. Then in your list all items in your notebook as given table 1.1. So you have to make a table. So what your table you are doing? What do we eat? So name of your friend, one column, and in another column food item in a day. Suppose name of your friend. So you have to note down your friend name. Food item eaten in a day. उस फ्रेंड ने पूरे दिन भर में क्या फूड आइटम खाया उसका नोट डाउन करना है. Suppose my friend is Vidya ma'am. So I will write here Vidya ma'am. Food item eaten in a day. So today she had in a dinner, in breakfast poha. I will put comma. Then she eaten in the lunch vegetables and chapati. I will write here. In dinner she eaten khichdi. I will write here khichdi. So you have to make this column in your notebook and WhatsApp me in my personal number. So students, here different food items are there. So here idli, sambar, chutney, sambar, then fishes are there. So every human being is eating varieties of foods in daily life. So there seems to be a much where the food comes from? In market, in shop, in grocery shop? No. So students, think about rice cooked at home. Yes, you love rice? Yes. So you think daily your mother is preparing rice or khichdi something. So we take a raw rice in a bowl and boil it. Just two material or ingredient are needed to prepare a dish of boiled rice. If your mother want to prepare a rice, so what she did? She will take a bowl of rice, some water and salt. So only 2-3 ingredients needed to cook a rice. On the other hand, some food items are made up with many ingredients. Okay, I will take an example of suppose vegetable curry. So your mother prepared vegetables curry. We need different kinds of vegetables, salt, spices and oil, so on. If your mother want to prepare a vegetable pulao, so your mother will need rice also, water, salt, different types of vegetables. Then she needs some different types of spices. Then she will prepare the vegetable rice. So we will see activity number 2. So choose some food item, listen in table 1.1. Now you already note down this. You already note down this. Your friend name, what he or she eating. Another friend name, what he or she eating. So you have to fill this column first. Then try to find out ingredients are used to prepare this, discussing with your friend and elders at home. So you have to, what you have to do? You have to discuss with your friends or at your parents or older elders one what things you needed for preparation of this dishes. Then list them in 1.2. Some examples are given here and added more item this list. So here's some example how you have to fill the column. So roti and chapati. This is a food item. So ingredients. What we need? Some amount of atta and water. Next is dal. Suppose you have to make a dal. So pulses, water, salt, oil or ghee and some amount of spices you needed for preparation of dal. So next is, what do you find? Then what do we find? Do you find some common ingredient of food item? Yes, some common ingredient. Suppose I am giving example. Suppose you like to eat paratha, your friend like to eat chapati, your small brother like to eat bread. So in chapati also needed atta and water. In paratha also needed atta and water. And to preparation of bread, it also needed atta and water. So common ingredient is atta and water. So you will find in food items some common ingredient. So where do we think ingredient come from? So you are eating daily atta, but you think where the ingredient come from? So next 1.2 is food material and sources. Where we are getting food material and sources. So it may be easy for us to guess sources from the ingredient that we will see in 1.2. Fruits and vegetables. For utensils, where do we come from? Plants. Of course, what are the sources of rice or wheat? That you may have seen paddy or wheat field raw and rows of plants which is green, and then therefore food item like milk, egg, meat which comes from animals. So students, you already filled table number 1.1. You have noted down your friend list, what they eating, you make a column. Okay, then we move to 1.2 column. You have to write down the food items and what ingredient. So you will get some common ingredient. So students, some non-vegetarian persons, they are eating eggs, meat. So we are getting from that from animals. So activity 1.3 is, let us take a food item, listen earlier, and try to find out where it comes from. Now we are taking one food items. We earlier listened, or you asked your parents, or you asked from your friend. So we will take the example of that. Then the ingredients and their sources we are finding out. Then ingredient and sources now we are finding. So this is a 1.3. This is a rice farmland. Here they are growing rice or wheat. So if the food items are grown in the rows, then after the cultivation or after the preparation of that food items, the farmer that food items sold into the market, and we the human beings purchase from the grocery shop, and after that we are preparing some delicious food item from that rice and wheats or some grains, some cereals, some pulses we are using that. Then here 1.3 ingredient used to prepare the food item and their sources. Now we have to prepare, we already completed this table. So idli, yes, you love to eat idli. So what ingredient we needed? Ingredient we needed rice, urad dal, salt and water. So students, first food item is ingredient. So food item, ingredient and sources. Sources, it means where we get that ingredient from plants or animals, you have to note down here. So rice we are getting from plants. Then urad dal we are getting from, correct, plants. Salt we are getting from what? Yes, sea water. And water we are getting from nature. Next is the chicken curry. So chicken curry ingredient is chicken. Where we get from chicken? We are getting chicken from animals. Spices. From where we are getting spices? From, yes, plants. Oil and ghee. Some kind of oil and ghee we are getting from animals as well as plants. Water by nature. Next is kheer. Yes, I know you loved it. Kheer. So where we are getting kheer? Milk, rice and sugar. So milk we are getting from, yes, animals. Rice we are getting from plants, correct. And sugar we are getting from plants. So students, now we are going to wind up part number 1. So students, we already shared that you have to note down table number 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3 in your notebook with very good handwriting. Write down today's date and day, and you have to take a picture and send me in my personal number. And if any queries, then you can ask me on WhatsApp. Thank you.